So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money without a website. And guys, what time it is? It's time to make money. So guys, let's get started. So before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online, simple, straightforward way. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get started, right? So if you are lazy like me and want to make money, I'm going to show you how you can make money without even having a website, right? So again, I'm going to show you 2-3 ways, right? So first thing is we need to select an offer. So you can go on ClickBank or any other marketplace. Just go on marketplace, select a product. So for this example, I'm going to select the top offer. So all I have to do is just click on top offer and search gravity high, right? Now the next thing is you need to go on Canva, click on docs, just click on docs. Once you're on docs, all you have to do is what I could do is there is an AI, right? So you need to use ChatGPT or AI. So they already have a built-in feature. So I can say try it out right now. And I would say top 5 tips. So I'm going to do this top 5 home drinks to lose weight. I'm going to press enter and it's going to write me all of those things, right? Now I can make it much more bigger as well. So what I could do the AI, I would say write big paragraphs, right? So now all I have to do is just expand the text. So I'm going to expand the text. So once it's done, right, what I could do is make it much more bigger. So what I could do is make it much more bigger. Okay, and this looks good, right? And then element, I could add tea, drinks there, right? Okay, yes, right? Now once this is done, what I could do is go on ClickBank, click on affiliate page, click over here, go on email creatives. Once I'm over here, let me open this up, right? And then I could just copy. And then once I've done that, all I have to do is just go over here. I'll say promote, create an hop link. Okay, once I've done that, copy it, paste it, check if it's opening, right? Yeah, so yeah, this one is opening, but I would prefer the video, right? So I would go over here, get links. I would type my ID, okay, and this would give me the link, right? So I can say generate hop link, copy to clipboard, come back over here, enter the link, okay, and then paste it, right? So now this is done, and yeah, that's it. Now once this is done, you need to save the PDF. So once the PDF is downloaded from here, from Canva, all you have to do is just go on SlideShare and just upload it. So again, I'll just upload it over here. And again, this is my PDF. And then when I click over here, it will directly open to the offer link, right? So I'm just going to sign in right now. So I've done everything. I've written the title, description, and then you can literally do publish. Once this is done, again, this is my URL. If I open over here, I could see the PDF and people would literally read on this, right? Let me zoom out. And again, this is how it is. And when they click over here, they would directly go to the page, right? So now what you could do is literally, what I usually do is I can go on Quora, and as you could see, there are 3K answers. So what I would do is I would write over here answer, okay? And then I would paste my PDF over here. Okay, and then what else I could do is go on ChatGPT or even literally go over here on Canva. Okay, and then what I do is just on another slide, what I do, click here, magic right, and then just paste it over here. So I know now I got the answer. So what I could do is I could just copy this thing, go back over here. Okay, and also I can write try the homemade drinks to lose weight and detox kindly. Okay, that's it, right? Try the homemade drinks to lose weight and detox. To learn more, click the link below, right? And then you can literally post it, right? And again, I've answered it, and obviously now imagine you can answer so many of them, right? So if I go back, there's so many 1K 1.6K answers, following are 1.5. So imagine it will there would be a notification to around 1.5K people over here, right? So again, a lot of people will look into your PDF. Now I'm gonna add one more bonus over here, right? So literally, if you go on all of these groups, so again, this is a Facebook group where you can, I have made money with this, right? Literally, you could do the same as well. So just copy the same thing. So as you could see, everything you lost is coming back in double. Mark my words. Again, and they are promoting this offer over here. So if I go on wealth manifestation, right? So if I go on wealth manifestation, so they are promoting the same offer. If I click on gravity high to low, so they are promoting this same one, wealth manifestation, right? So if you go over here, so again, they're promoting this offer, and literally the guy is also promoting the same offer on Facebook. And as you could see, 459 comments and 338 shares. And literally you have to join it and do the same thing over here as well. So again, he's promoting the same Midas manifestation, and even over here it's the same. Okay, so literally all you have to do is just copy, make it 10% better and promote it. I have similar ones. Again, he's promoting the same product over here. He's writing something over here. And then again, you could see 814 comments and 173 shares, which means so many people are interacting. Same thing over here where he's promoting how to attract wealth and everything. And again, wealth DNA code. So he's promoting the same offer, right? So you don't have to do nothing, guys. Just copy, paste it, right? And I think so that's it for today's video, guys. Just try it out, create your own PDF, attach the offer link in the PDF and share it. Again, you are giving information to someone, right? So it's not, you're not spamming them, you're giving information. Over here, literally the guy is spamming. What over here you could make it 10% better is, you can create a PDF and then you could say, if you want to attract wealth, please check out this 5-step manifestation process where you can attain your wealth by this year, and then you can attach a PDF. Okay, and that's how it is. You're giving them information, and obviously they're going to click on the link, right? So this is how you start making money. Obviously you need to provide value, and you can provide value. Just go on Canva and just click on this thing, docs, and all you have to do is just click on magic, right? Okay, and that's it. Attach a PDF, and this is how you promote affiliate products without a website. And if you really like the video, please consider subscribing. And Yavar Khan signing off.